Alright, today YouTubers, I took the engine back out last night after I got off the phone, stopped videoing. See right there, modified the stock Polaris plate, so now it fits the carburetors in perfect. And if you don't know, you see right there, I put a nut on the end of that. Some washers, lifted her up so it clears that tunnel bracket right there, so now the carburetor's spinning fine. Hold on a minute. Engine's all nice and bolted down good. Looks damn good sitting in there, 583 sitting in a Polaris. So wiring mess right now. Gotta stick up the stock wiring. Put on the skidoo throttle. This has got the kill switch already wired up to it, so I don't have to mess with any of that wiring. I do have to splice the skidoo wiring into the Polaris high and low beam switch, which won't be too hard. I got brakes on it the other day. Those work mint. Like last time, we got the coolers in. You can see them right there. The coolers. I'm on a smoke break. But yeah, it's been some good progress. Got to get the stock Polaris wiring back out. And then wire the see right there, but the skidoo wiring in. And then after that, gotta go to the store tomorrow, get some antifreeze, some 2-stroke oil, and gas tank in, of course. And I should be ripping around tomorrow. It's been a 3-day process. Tomorrow will be my 3rd day of putting the engine and coolers in and doing the wiring. I'm going to have it all done ready tonight, so tomorrow will be the cold start and first run. So hopefully, all in all, it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good night too. It's been a good night. Snowmobile is coming together fucking awesome the way I planned it to. I mean, ran into a couple finagles, but I've fixed it really easy. It hasn't been too hard. I mean, other than the engine plate, I haven't had no trouble. But yeah, it should look good and freaking go mean. And this thing should roar. If it don't roar, then I don't know, I might have to upgrade it to an 800 or something. Find an XC800 engine somewhere and drop that pig in there. But yeah, should be a good night. Almost done. Love this thing. This thing is gonna friggin' roar. I don't know if I'll be able to keep the skis on the ground. Surprisingly, my 503 engine would lift the skis off the ground. But imagine that fucking 583. This engine is gonna be stupid to keep on the ground. Hopefully it goes. Let me show you right here. I'm gonna turn the light. I gotta take that. She was in an accident, the snowmobile was, so the exhaust light, she's pretty dented, so I gotta take that off, bring it into my work, and finagle with that, try to straighten her back out. And I gotta put an extension on it so I can fit. Turn the light around. So I can fit my homemade exhaust can and this pipe back on it. I should go like a bastard and sound mean. Alright. Well, please subscribe if you like what I do. if you like what you've been seeing, and there'll be more to come. Thank you. Bye.